Here we are back at the crease. They said couldn't be fixed, Paintless, by numerous body shops. Got it out. Looks good. Oh, right. Light's falling. Pretty happy with that. Customer's happy with it. They wanted to charge upwards of $600 was the lowest bid for painting, and I think they went all the way up to like $1,200 in some shops. This job was performed in about an hour and a half. So instead of dropping your car off for days and getting them to paint it, this was performed right here over at your work, home, or you could even meet me out and about. Call Elite Dent Repair today. Save time, save money.